curriculum. And we do assessments throughout the school year on specific skills to promote fitness and endurance and strength and just keeping them fit and active. So hopefully they take some of those skills and they're incorporating them at home through their active play and maybe even getting some of you involved to do it. That one hurt a lot of us, right? So maybe you can have your own competitions at home on how many push-ups Daddy can do. Why don't we try that? Okay? And make sure he's doing them correctly. All right. So with physical fitness, for the children to actually receive an award, they had to achieve the standard for his or her age in all 5 events that were presented in the curriculum. And they had to reach achievement in all 5 of those events in either the fall assessment and or the spring assessment. So if they didn't reach it all in the fall and they reached it all in the spring, they were able to achieve this award. So this is something that only first on up get to participate in. So once again, kindergartners, you have something else to look forward to in first grade next year, right? All right. Good job. Okay, so there's 2 categories. There's achievement and there's excellence. And excellence is really, really tough to get. I'm just going to let y'all know. Okay, so achievements in alphabetical order, not according to their ages or their grade levels. The children that reached achievements in physical fitness curriculum, our first one is Shreya. She's not here today, but let's give her another round. Also, who reached an achievement was Trace. Dia. Adrian, Saha, Vibha, Devita, Sneha, Nicholas, Serena, Bella, Eva Oding, Neha, Sahin, and Yanni.